We're getting our bang for our buck for sure using the Modern Matrix HA5 compared to other products out there. I'm Kevin Anderson. I'm with the City of Cedar Hills. I'm the Public Works Director, and I manage infrastructure for the city.
I'm TJ Aston with the City of Cedar Hills. I'm the operations manager for the city for the last 5 years. I've been here since 2007. We're in the northeast corner of Utah County, tucked up next to American Fork Canyon. We've got a population around 10,000. We've got about 36 lane miles of travel. Really small community, very little commercial and mostly all residential.
And that residential focus creates specific expectations. With median home prices over $600,000 and residents who commute to Utah's tech corridor, Cedar Hills is a premium community, and residents expect the roads to reflect that. But the city faces steep terrain, harsh winters, and a maintenance budget that hasn't increased at the same pace as the property values. The Public Works Department has to deliver premium results with limited resources for this beautiful community.
The dynamic of our city is our elevation change. We have over 1,000 feet of elevation change. Roads in general on hills are hard to maintain, just to even product applications. Typically asphalt roads, they can last way longer if you keep adding materials. It gets really hot and it's dry here, and the winters get really cold, and it just sucks the moisture right out of the asphalt, and it loses its elasticity, and then it fractures and breaks, and then you get water in and destroys your base and your sub base, and it just can lead to catastrophic failure on a road. So you got to start with first drainage and then seal it.
Yeah, because we have had a couple roads that hadn't had treatments on it that we've had to do full rebuilds on with road base and all, and you're looking at millions instead of thousands.
And that's why we try to maximize our budget with using preservation products like this to keep us from doing entire rebuilds, which cost astronomical amount of money. We've used a handful of slurry seals, micro surfaces. About 10 years ago, we started using the Modern Matrix, and for over 10 years on the HA5.
We did a lot of tests with Holbrook, with the Modern Matrix and HA5, just to see how it would hold up on different scenarios around our city. Once it was shown that it would, extend the life of the roads, then it's a pretty easy sale.
For our application in the Modern Matrix, it's actually worked the best. It sticks to the road better. It keeps traction up. It holds up to snow plowing. It so far has been the best preservation product we've had. We were one of the very first people to use the bonded matrix, and we were one of their pilot for the bonded matrix, and they still bring clients out today to show them the road that they did almost 10 years ago. Just show them how well it's held up, and we've been reached out to by other cities to ask, and we have nothing but good things to say about it. Every so often we do core samples, and the road itself is holding up, and the material is doing what it's supposed to, and there's low oxidation, and it's keeping the moisture out. It's a great product for your high traveled areas. It holds up well. It's a great product.
We're getting our bang for our buck for sure using the Modern Matrix HA5 compared to other products out there.